Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to Accountants Minute. What services are you going to provide that create a wow factor in 2017? Last week we talked about Chief Financial Officer services, Debtors Management, Personal Property Securities Register due diligence, a major risk management area, and succession planning. Well, today I want to move further into other services that accountants and business advisors can perform to help your clients overcome the commercial problems that they are confronting. The first one I want to start with is raising finance, and this can take many forms, of course: loans, share capital, or early stage innovation companies. For loans off banks or other financial institutions, your clients are going to need budgets and cash flow forecasts, and in many cases business plans. Don't forget that Section 708 of the Corporations Code is still available to raise capital for private companies. And of course now we have the special category, early stage innovation companies, for companies that have developed new products, processes, services, organisational or marketing methodologies, or other types of new services, are able to raise capital, and there is a real benefit for the investors because the investors can receive a 20% tax offset based on their investment and a capital gains tax exemption which can last from the end of the first 12 months of the investment to the end of the 9th year of the investment. To perform well in 2017, your clients are going to need assistance with government grants. Don't forget the grants. They are there. And why not appear to be very proactive to your clients? Clients will need business plans and budgets and cash flow forecasts, business valuations, information memorandums, and some mentoring and coaching on how to make an investment pitch. These are the key added services that clients are going to require if they are trying to seek capital from investors. And you can provide these services. Another big area is directors' duties and responsibilities. I conducted a seminar a couple of weeks ago that went all day for a group of directors, and it was amazing the questions that they asked about various aspects of their companies. They all had accountants, and I really wonder why they were not asking their accountants some of the questions that they raised with me. So this obviously indicates that clients are needing assistance with corporate governance, understanding not only the Corporations Code but the workplace health and safety laws, the consumer finance laws, the Fair Work Australia laws, all areas that company directors can get into strife over. Do your clients really understand the financial accounts you're producing for them? Perhaps you should ask your clients to take you through their accounts. And I think you'll find that many of your clients do not understand key performance indicators, their gross profit calculations. How is it made? Are you preparing accounts on a departmentalised basis so that they have a separate set of accounts for the bar, for the restaurant, for the accommodation if the client's running a motel? When I go through and analyse the key portfolios within a company, I add up over 45. Things ranging from legal, dealing with banks, chambers of commerce, taxation, marketing, sales. Have you thought about sitting down with your client and encouraging them to allocate those portfolios to members of the management team and to other people in the organisation, so that those duties are effectively delegated throughout the organisation. And then there is effective follow-up undertaken each month. I believe what your clients are looking for is a 5-year business vision. Where do they want to be in 5 years' time? Some of those directors that I met with a couple of weeks ago indicated they wanted 100% growth in their businesses. A couple of them were even higher than that, but most were around a 50 to 60% growth factor over the next 5 years. But that brings to account then a number of other key questions. How are they going to manage that? Do they need a board of directors, or at the very least a board of advice to help them on that journey? I think 2017 is going to be the year that clearly establishes that the accountancy profession can, if it wishes, create another area of speciality, just as we have taxation, taxation planning, audits, insolvency, and financial planning. Business advisory services is one of those key products that many in the profession will embrace. And just as you now see medical GP practices with signs out the front or on the internet identifying the specialities that the GP practice has developed, so I believe we are going to see more and more of that within the accountancy profession. The question that you need to answer is, are you going to be part of this new wave of service offering to offer business advisory services to your clients? And if so, I would urge you to be fully committed to this process in 2017. Have a great Christmas, and may 2017 be a very prosperous time for you, your family, and your accountancy business. Goodbye.